Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix camera not focusing on Infinix Note Edge. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, click on camera app. After click on camera app and force stop camera app. After force stop camera app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system. Click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is software update. Click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix camera not focusing on Infinix Note Edge. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.